Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Long & Foster real estate account step by step clearly. To reset your Long & Foster real estate account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Long & Foster real estate website. Locate the sign in button, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. On the login page, look for the option that says Forgot Your Password or Reset Password. Click on that option to proceed to the Password Reset section. You will now be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Long & Foster account. Type in your email address carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your email, look for the Submit or Send button and click it. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Long & Foster. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link provided within it. Click on the link to be directed to the password reset page. On the reset page, you will be asked to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again. After confirming the new password, look for the Reset Password button and click it. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the login page and enter your email address along with your new password. Click the Sign In button to access your Long & Foster real estate account. You have now successfully reset your account and can enjoy full access to its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.